Have you ever wondered if you really need a property appraisal? The short answer, it depends. Let's simplify when an appraisal is valuable and when it might be a waste of your money. First, let's talk about when getting an appraisal is worth it. If you're buying a home with a mortgage, an appraisal is usually required. The lender needs to ensure the property is worth the loan amount. This protects both you and the lender from overpaying. But even if you buy with cash, getting an appraisal can be beneficial. It gives you an unbiased assessment of the property's value. This can help you avoid paying too much and provide leverage if the appraisal comes in lower than your offer. For sellers, a pre-listing appraisal can be helpful in certain situations. If you're selling an inherited property, this can provide clarity and assist with disputes among heirs. In divorce situations, it ensures fair asset division. It's also useful for unique properties that are tricky to price. There are other uses for appraisals too. They can aid in estate planning, tax assessments, and major renovation decisions. Now, when might an appraisal not be worth it? For typical home sales, getting a pre-listing appraisal isn't usually recommended. Real estate agents offer comparative market analysis, CMA, for free, which is often enough to set a competitive listing price. Appraisals can be costly, generally several $100s. If you don't have a specific need, this expense might not provide a good return on investment. Let's summarize the key points for clarity. If you're buying with a mortgage, an appraisal is essential. If you're buying with cash, it's often a good idea. For a standard home sale, skip the appraisal. An agent's CMA is typically sufficient. If selling an inherited, unique, or divorce-related property, an appraisal is valuable. If refinancing, it's required by the lender. If you're just curious about value, avoid the cost. A free agent CMA works. In conclusion, getting an appraisal is worth it if it's required or you need an unbiased valuation. However, for setting prices on standard home sales, an agent's analysis is usually enough. Always consider your specific needs. Consult with a real estate professional to determine if an appraisal is a wise investment for you.